without me. Don't leave without me.
Welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the SignalR endpoint for Roblox. So you want to find something that uses the real-time endpoint. So like, for example, the private messages. So I went to private messages, and you want to right-click, click inspect element, and have your console open. As you can see, it's connected to a WebSocket server. So you're gonna see like these tabs up here. You're gonna click sources, right? And then you're gonna see all of these like clouds and stuff right here. The one you want to click when you open this up is the Webpack. So open up Webpack, and you're gonna open up the JS folder. Then you're going to look for SignalR. When you see this folder, you're going to open that up. Then you're going to see library. And then inside of the library, you're going to see core SignalR connection wrapper. So I'm going to click on that. Once you click on that, it should open up over here. And then as you can see, it's using the Microsoft SignalR package, which is this right here. And I looked at this, right? See how it says build and with URL and stuff. So what I did was I went over here, I scrolled down, and this is what I found. I found this. So that means it's using the thing. So inside of here, what you want to do is you want to include headers, and then you want to do that. I can't do it. But anyway, when you write your code, you want to put in the headers inside of this, and then what you want to pass for the headers. So I'll give you guys an example. Let me show you guys on Discord. So I'm gonna go to my Discord channel. I'm going to go into the recording studio text channel, and basically what you want to do is you want to say headers, and then you want to do this, and then you want to say cookie, and then you want to put a colon, and then you want to put in your cookie. So you can type in your cookie here, or you can say cookie if you already defined it, and then do that. So that's how you put in your header. All right. So yeah, you want to do that, and then but when you do that, you want to put like a comma like right after this, and then put it underneath. So you put the header underneath the skip notification, and then negotiation, and then once you do that, it should work. All right. So you have to include your headers in here. So when you're making like a Roblox bot and you're trying to connect to the real-time notifications, then yeah, you want to include the headers. So the header has to be inside of the with URL, right? So before this bracket, but after this, but you want to put a comma. So put a comma and then drop down, and then that's where you put it. All right. So yeah, and then you'll see that this is not defined, right? So it's not defined, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this to null. So we're gonna include this piece so that it would be defined, right? So that's all I took. I took this piece. Like, I'm not gonna steal this entire code because I don't need an entire thing. I'm just gonna take this part to initialize it, and then take this part, right? but I also need these parts too. But yeah, if you guys need help, then I can help you. But you don't actually need this. You can just put data. So when you call this on function, you can just put data here. So replace it with data, and you can do whatever you want with it. But yeah, same thing with this. You can just put data. You don't have to use the callback or whatever, because whatever goes in here is the data, right? So this is your data. And yeah, so you're gonna take this, and then you're gonna take this. That's all you need. And then yeah. You're also gonna have to start it too, so you're gonna have to include user.notification.start, and yeah, that's pretty much what you need. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you use it. And you also you wanna say in your saying require. So you wanna say const single R require, and then put in this as a require. All right. See, you want to, if you're using Node.js, this is what you want to do. Like I said, const single R equals require, and then require it, and then you can do the rest of it. See, we would say connection. So right here, you would put notification, right? So this is the thing, and then data, like I was saying, and it would log out the data. And then you wanna start a connection. So yeah, you want to start a connection, and then that's pretty much all you got to do, right? And then once you start the connection, it will literally um in your application, it will say this in the console. It should say this. If it says it's connected, then that means it's working successfully. So you want it to say it's connected. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.